I've been waiting for the green light. Fucking hell, a few of them went through on a red.
Oh, that matter.
Fucking hell! Jesus
Christ.
fucking Christ!
What was he doing?
Fuck knows. Fuck me.
Fucking hell.
You're running around, mate.
That's two fucking minutes, mate.
Get round that side. Yeah, I'm on here, I'm on here. Driver! Take the keys out of the ignition! Keys out of the ignition! Keys out of the car!
You AP, yeah?
Put the keys out of the car!
Throw the keys out! Throw the keys out the car!
See his house.
Throw the keys out the car!
Dress into position to cover. Right, rest plan will be to get the driver out and take him to the rear of that car. I'm going to Coxie. Rest round so you've got appropriate less legal cover.
Yep.
Right, driver, look at me! When I tell you, get out of that vehicle, hands on show!
Back of that car, yeah?
Get out of the vehicle! Keep your hands on show, slowly walk towards my colleagues. Take up the challenge.
Look at me! Look at me! Walk towards me!
You! Don't
Keep
move!
walking towards me! Keep walking towards me! Look at me now! Come down here on the floor! Turn around! Turn around! Get on your knees! Get your knees!
Get down on your knees now!
Now in the front! Now in the front! Lay down!
Yes, the bottom's got in. Just concentrate getting stuff down the vehicle.
Stay there, don't move! Stay still, do not move!
Press round over to where. One more way around there. Okay, over to you.
Going into the rear, going into the left.
Back there, back there.
Yeah. We'll get him behind here.
Yep.
Just back a little bit so he gets straight in.
Cam's Oscar 1. Yes.
Yep. We'll get him behind this marked ALV.
Passenger! Passenger!
Yes,
Get out of the car now, slowly!
Can we start moving them forwards, please, to the armed assets?
Yeah, let's receive confirm Morrison's car park.
Keep your hands on show, fella. Slowly towards me. Towards me.
So far,
Right, stop. Turn around. Take one step back.
As soon as, please.
To your left, slowly. Sit behind the back of the ALV. Stop, on your knees. Right, ready?
Yeah, ready?
Yeah, make no sudden movements. Yeah.
Can you have a hand and swallow your back? Hold it secure.
Get him out. Get back out.
Yeah, Steve, focus objects. Focus objects. Your clearance on out.
Jump out. Jump out, jump forward. Come in. Step towards me.
me, because you're currently under arrest on suspicion of supplying Class A, mate, okay? I'm arresting you on suspicion of being concerned with supply Class A, alright?
Class A?
Yeah, so if you may offence with failed to mention now, so much later on in the call. Anything you do so, you may be levels.
Obviously you've been detained for a search under the misuse of drugs. Have you got anything on you shouldn't have?
On me? No. Not.
Have you got anything in the vehicle you shouldn't have?
No. Look. Yeah.
Sorry?
Huh?
What did you say?
Yeah, there is some stuff in there, yeah.
Where, mate?
Under the seat.
What, the passenger seat?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't move it. Don't move it at all, mate.
At the moment you're under arrest today for being suspicion of being involved in supply of Class A drugs. You do not have to stand in you do not mention your information subject to later on in court.
Is there anything in the car or on your person that I need to be aware of?
In the boot.
In the boot?
What's in the boot?
Drugs.
How much?
Oh,
A lot.
okay.
Okay. Alright, mate.
Đây. Ôi, thằng lỏng có lít tên nè.
Hello mate, you right? Finn, we're going to lead you off, take you through. Alright. Just whilst you're here, I've got to tell you that the warrant has been issued for your arrest. Okay, so at the moment you're under arrest. The warrant is in relation to conspiracy to supply Class A cocaine between the 1st of January 2022 31st of May 2022. Conspiracy to supply Class B ketamine first, same dates. Possess criminal property, supply cocaine, supply heroin 2022. Okay, not to say anything may on defence, that's an educated question, so later on in court. Anything you do say may be de minimis.
Fishport Avenue, speed 70020. Light traffic, no pedestrians. The area is currently medium, so we approach the T-junction, wait. The area is high as it mounts the pavement to go round a vehicle.
Right. Yeah, Tiger 50 on Days Road, just going through.
Yeah, it's going to be a loss. It's wrong side of the road onto the pavement. The area is high, but there are no pedestrians. I can clearly see down the footpath there are no pedestrians. We're back onto the road, and we're right onto David's Road. Come on, it's going to be tagged 30. DRA is high, wait. DRA is high as it tries to undertake a vehicle on the pavement. It's now back down to medium. Comes the subject driver is starting to take a few more risks now. Can I request authority for tactical contact?
Tiger 2 on permission.
Wait. Sorry Jake, DRA is high, comms as it mounts pavement on the offside again. Comms, if I don't have MPAS soon, I'm going to have to abort this.
Tactical contact is
MPAS, how far away please? Overhead, yes?
Yes, single crew, so I'll have to leave the commentary with you.
Yeah, that's noted. If you've got eyeball then, I'll back off from the subject vehicle. Mitch, have you got it ready?
Yeah, ready.
Yeah, it's going to be the next vehicle,
Time one, rounded the pavement, 0 high. Tango 67, I'll scroll up the officer. So you're unsuccessful.
108 towards Old Market.
Dan, I'm going back down Daisy Road towards Avon Meads, mate.
Yeah, that's received, mate. We're St Philip's Causeway. Coach on the red ATS at Junction Daisy Road. Wait.
We're right. We're bolt.